I'm Mike Hackard. I've written 2 books about estate and trust litigation. Both books include particular observations as to mediation. When we think of the best day, few of us would think of litigation. I probably wouldn't make the connection myself, but for a statement that many mediators give at the beginning of an estate and trust mediation day. Good mediators say something like this: don't expect to get your best day results at a trial at today's mediation. Mediation is a process of give and take, weighing of risk and reward, factoring in financial and emotional costs of trial, and finding a way toward closure for finality. And I'll add, don't expect to get what you would at your worst day of trial either. Another note, you, the client, are neither forced into the mediation nor mandated to accept a suggested resolution. I write and talk about mediation a lot, and it's because some 97% of all California civil cases settle before trial. Mediation is a very common path to settlement of lawsuits. It's that simple. If you're involved in litigation, you should know something about mediation. And mediation can occur prior to the filing of a lawsuit or shortly after filing, at the midpoint of litigation, as well as on the eve of trial. There are often good reasons for mediating at any one of those points. Whenever and however mediated, mediations are steeped in human emotions. Mediation participants may witness the spectrum of human virtues and vices that come into play in moving from conflict to resolution. Mediators and the disputing parties, lawyers, have seen this time and time again. It's important to pay attention because each mediation is really split into 2 parts: emotions on the one hand and legal and factual arguments on the other. There are all kinds of mediation techniques and generalized do's and don'ts. That said, experience counts. It helps to know your adversary, and it helps to know your mediator's style. It helps to know how the opposing party's attorney approaches cases. It helps to have done this exercise many times before over many decades with dozens and dozens of mediators. While knowledge doesn't guarantee success, it might fill in some unknowns that can only be understood by seeing the nuances of a particular case. Hackard Law litigates and mediates significant trust and estate cases where we believe that we can make a significant difference and there is a wrongdoer who can be made financially responsible for their wrongdoing. Most of our cases are located in Sacramento, Contra Costa, Alameda, Santa Clara, and San Mateo counties. And we also regularly litigate in Los Angeles. If you'd like to speak with us about your case, then call us at 916-313-3030. We'll be happy to speak with you. Thank you.